Hi kids! Wow, so many fruits! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 fruits. Our first fruit is grape. Light green color, green color. Our second fruit is banana. Light green color, light yellow color. The fruits are so colorful. Third fruit is cherry. Red color, green color.
Wow!
Our next fruit is corn. Yellow color, green color. Our fifth fruit is strawberry. The shape of a strawberry is heart. Green color, red color. What is your favorite fruit, kids? My favorite fruit is mango. And this is pineapple. Green color, yellow color. Our last fruit is lemon. Yellow color, green color. Let's join them again. Grapes. Banana. And this is strawberry.
No.
You enjoy it, kids? Corn.
Hiya!
Cherries. So today we have learned 7 fruits name. Lemon. And our last fruit is pineapple. Today we will also learn alphabets.
Wow!
So many color pens. First color is pink. Second color is green. Third color is blue. Fourth color is sky blue. Fifth color is yellow. Sixth color is red. Seventh color is purple. Eighth color is orange. And our last color, ninth color is light green. Let's write alphabet. Our first color is red. J. J for jackal. Jackal is an animal. J. Green. K. K for kite. Kite is a bird. K. Yellow. L. L for lotus. Lotus is a flower. L. Purple. M. M for mango. Mango is a fruit. M. Pink. N. N for nightingale. Nightingale is a bird. N. Sky blue. O. O for orangutan. Orangutan is an animal. O. Orange. P. P for parakeet. Parakeet is a bird. P. Blue. Q. Q for quill. Quill is also a bird. Q. Our last color is light green. R. R for radish. Radish is a vegetable. R. Now say with me, kids. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.